One of the great features of the Trident Tripod is you can actually remove the light heads and then replace them with a different light head or a message bar, a light stick, so it gives you some versatility. It only takes about a minute to unscrew this and take the light head off. This piece has reverse threads on the top, so as you're unscrewing the light head, you're also unscrewing this part off of the tripod. To mount the light head, first thing we do is we just got to put this plug together, twists and locks in place, position the connector so it's centered. It's important as you start to thread this together that you're starting both threads at the same time so it tightens down equally. Go ahead. It's really important that you get this really tight. We don't want this moving around if this is mounted on a vehicle. And that's how easy it is to change the heads out on a Trident tripod.